Augustus here with a smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. You can like and subscribe to my page and my YouTube channel if you want more information on business marketing, website marketing, and personal development. We have a lot of resources there, and I'm making this short video to explain people how to get good exposure. One of the questions I've been asked numerous times is, people who have a small business, they want to learn how to get some exposure, but they don't want to start with a high cost. The easiest way to do that is to create a Facebook business page. Now, I know you probably have a personal page, but having a business page actually is a little bit different. It's more geared towards business and advertising. There are group pages too. Group pages are great also, but they're not designed for advertising. So you probably do want to make a group page, but also you need a business page. If you search business pages, or if you're on any other business page that you don't own, usually there'll be a thing here that says create page, or you can find it somewhere in the settings. Obviously, desktop is always better than mobile when you're doing a lot of things like this. So when you create the page, you want to fill it out as much as possible, especially if you have a local business. This is an online resource, so we don't really have advertising that people would walk in to see us. That's why we don't have the address here. But what you're looking at here is you also want to change the username, and you have to make sure you use a username that's your business or something close to it. So let's just say if you're in the main line, you might want to put, Small Business Resource Center main line, or if it's a Chinese restaurant in the main line, Chinese restaurant, whatever the name is, main line. So other people might be able to find it easier, because some people might just type a search and you want them to find you if they're searching for you. So that's one thing to keep in mind. After you complete that and you have a personal URL picked, you'll notice right here it's easier for someone to find rather than when you have the generic code. Small Business Resource Center Online is much easier to find than this code. The second thing you want to do is go to GoDaddy. There's going to be a link in the description where you can get a very cheap, discounted URL. That's a website address. So, and 99% of the time, you want to go with a .com. And the reason why you want to do that is most people use .coms. If you don't have a choice and that's what you want to do, you can use something else. But most people, when they're searching, they type your information and .com. Statistics show that's what most businesses do. So we're the Small Business Resource Center.com. If you go there, you'll get a lot more tips and information about marketing, managing your business, and personal development. But when you go to GoDaddy and you get a premium URL, if you don't have web expertise, you're just starting off, once you get the URL, so going back to what I told you before, it could be a Chinese restaurant main line. Or if you can get your actual name .com, you always want that. But if you can't, you get something close, and it could be location focused. It could be Philly, it could be Chicago, or, like the main line or Penn Avenue, whatever it would be that would let people know that that's your location, because that's what you want to advertise to if you have menus or brochures or anything to make it easier for people to go to you. So after you have this set up, the next step is you want to copy your URL. That would be this that you just created. Then when you're in GoDaddy, after you purchase the discounted URL, descriptions in the bottom here, you can forward it to the Facebook page. That would be easier, because it's a lot easier to give somebody your name and your URL than having them go to the Facebook page. This is really just a first step. Everybody should have some type of sales page or advertising page. One example I want to give you is there's a contractor that has a warehouse or something. They're selling stuff on Facebook, and they say, oh, just go to my Facebook page. It's very difficult to look through somebody's feed and look at all the things that they're selling, whether if they had a traditional website, traditional meaning, like the Small Business Resource Center, where you can go to that site. Oh, sorry about that loading. But you can go to the site, and after it loads, you can see all the things that they have available for sale, or you can search for stuff, because there's search functions. Those type of things are not as easy on a Facebook business page, but the Facebook business page is a free and inexpensive way to get going. Purchasing a custom URL will help you get started too. So that's the tip for today. If you want more information or if you need help with anything, type in the comments below. Let me know what you need. I'll try to get you some information on it. Smallbusinessresourcecenter.com if you want to learn about sales, marketing, need help with anything. We probably have a resource for you there. Let me know what you guys need. And I hope you have a great day. Subscribe to my Facebook business page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.